Jai Ma Kali to all my amazing, blessed Ma Kali devotees. How's everyone doing? So let's see what is in the cards today. Oh, two cards have come out. Chal. She made work easy for me actually. Bhairavi Yogini and Mahavidya. Bhairavi Yogini is, she does look fierce actually, but if you see, she is wisdom. She is the sixth Devi in Dashamahavidya called as the Bhairavi, and she encourages you to get dedicated in your work. She encourages you to handle everything without fear, to work on your self esteem, self confidence, and become more powerful and more vigorous. Basically, if I say vigorous, not as fighting, but in terms of becoming stronger, because if you see, she works on the Muladhara chakra, and if the Muladhara chakra is strong, then believe me, everything that you do becomes powerful and becomes successful. So maybe that is why the Mahavidya has come together, because when the Muladhara becomes strong, then you manifest everything with your wisdom, because Mahavidya is nothing but the goddess of wisdom, and she brings in amazing wisdom in our lives. And whenever you work on her, understand one thing, that she will give you the clarity as to how you need to work on and what you need to work on, so that you are successful in your way. So today what you can do is just I don't know, I just felt if there's any Mata's mandir or any Mata temple near you, buy 108 lemons and make a mala out of it, and put it as a garland for her, because here down south people love offering lemon mala to the goddesses, and it is also said that the goddesses loves it too. If not, just pick up some lemons and donate it to some poor lady or to someone in needy, because this will help you to come out of the chaos and confusion, and this will give you the clarity to gain the wisdom and to move forward in life. And today maybe go with the color pink, because I feel lotus is overpowering here, though I was supposed to say red, but I don't know, I suddenly felt the color pink. So go with the color pink, and have a beautiful and an awesome day ahead. Thank you.